Welcome to the Workforce Workshop Podcast, where we teach you how to locate, attract, hire, train, and retain your ideal workforce to grow your business. With years of research, professional experience, and guest interviews, we're empowering business leaders with the information they need to know to build their business. Enjoy today's episode.
Let's talk about the future of an ATS. Employers use an ATS to manage their hiring. The system houses all candidates' information, job openings, and placement for an organization's recruitment database. Most applicant tracking systems provide custom online job applications hosted on company's website, which can be developed with a career landing page builder. Modern applicant tracking systems offer the following key features. 1. A site dedicated to careers. Employers can create an online job board that displays job opening, pre-screening questions, resume screening, candidate ranking, and email notifications can come handy. Additionally, a good ATS provides employees with the ability to view job postings, apply for jobs, or refer outside candidates. In some ATS tools, you can host your career site on your company's website, while in others, it must reside on the ATS platform, and both options have pros and cons. Second, find advanced search results. Recruiters can quickly search, sort candidates' listings, and surface resumes or candidates based on keywords or phrases, skills, and experience. ATS systems function as a database for all possible candidates. This is why HR professionals utilize the data to help identify the individual types who apply for their positions. Companies can identify passive candidates or candidates that may not have been the best fit for previous jobs by using the advanced search feature. Companies can also use the data to attract better candidates by writing better job applications. The third feature is Prospective Candidate Profile. A candidate CV can be enhanced by adding additional documents, files, and information. Reference checks and assessment tools are essential components of this function. Candidate relationship management is the term used by some vendors to describe the overall workflow of communicating with applicants. Fourth, instruments for interview. In recent years, applications that automate interview scheduling, video interview, and the ability to record and track phone interviews have become increasingly popular. To facilitate digital interviews, major ATS vendors have these features integrated. Fifth, statistical analysis and reporting. By adopting a digital paperless recruiting process, you will be able to gather, store, and generate reports that will assist you in identifying bottlenecks in your recruitment process. The system lets you track your social sourcing efforts, monitor your career site engagement, and even manage advertising campaigns. Additionally, each system may have extra features and customizable workflow. They can include web page integrations, job board posting, document collaboration, event management, rule and permissions, and even integrated marketing automation tools. They may be included as standard features or as add-ons depending on the vendor. Let's move on now and talk the benefits of an ATS. The use of an applicant tracking system can save you time, cost, and increase candidate quality, among other metrics. The hiring managers and candidates can set up interviews using automated emails. Recruiters and hiring managers can also access all the information they need with an applicant tracking system with a click of a button. Dashboards with user-friendly interfaces, customizable workflows, and critical performance metrics are essential features of the best systems.
Thanks for listening to the Workforce Workshop Podcast. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Links to everything discussed will be in the description. To contact us, click the link in the show notes and you could submit your questions or share your story. Thanks again for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.